Let's bring in EMJ Capital founder, president, Eric Jackson. Eric, my man, take a bow. You gave this stock to our audience to the first time at $10. At $10, now you've got these second, third tier, soon I guess first tier Wall Street firms saying it's a buy. So let's talk about it, because you still like it as a buy, and you say the value proposition is clear.
Absolutely, Charles. Great to be back with you. I mean, this is a stock I bought at $9 earlier this year. Talked about it on the show at $10, as you said. It's at 60 now, so it's been a six-bagger so far. But you start looking out 3-4 years from now, I think this could be a $900 stock that we're talking about, because they are at the heart of AI compute. They have the supply. They build the data centers. They build the actual physical real estate that's needed. They do the power connections. They buy the Blackwell chips. As your previous guest was just saying, they just announced they're going to have 11,000 GPUs by the end of this year, 23,000 GPUs by the end of Q1, guided to something like 100,000 GPUs running in their data centers by the end of 2026. And so this is like, you need to partner with an Iron and some of these other players in order to fulfill all the AI queries that we're all going to need. So it's an exciting story. I don't mind the second tier Wall Street firms getting on board, because I need the price targets up to get to that $900 target in a few years from now.
Listen, there's nothing I love more. I can tell you right now. I have EME, that's off topic a little bit, gave to my clients and my subscribers in June. And the day a major firm went from sell to neutral on and raised their buy target by $200. I love it. We're in the same boat there. Love when the big boys come in way after on. But I also love that you're long term with this stuff, man. Like, you've got some huge profits in these things, and you're saying, no, we're going to ride it out. You want total fulfillment of this. Let me bring up Open. Open also had obviously a huge parabolic move. It's been kind of spinning its wheels here lately. What's going on?
Well, I mean, it spun its wheels, and I get people on Twitter all the time commenting, saying, hey, you know, it pulled back $1 from 10 to $9 or something, and like, what's going on? And then all of a sudden, like yesterday, the thing just exploded 2:30 in the afternoon. This thing went up, like, ended up 15% on the day out of nowhere. No news. We don't know what's going on. All I know is they have a killer CEO in the seat. This is like a fourth week on the job. They've got the smartest guy in technology in Keith Rabois, who's now the chairman, another co-founder, Eric Wu, back on the board. I mean, they're cooking with gas here. I had a coffee with a guy today who knows the CEO, Nejatian, and he said people just don't understand how focused this guy, how determined he is. He sold a startup business to Facebook in 2018. He took all of his profits from that startup, rolled it into Facebook stock. Then he leaves. He becomes the COO of Shopify, took all of his Facebook winnings, reinvested it in Shopify. Now he's betting again. He walked away from a $200 billion company. He could have been the CEO if he'd stayed around. He's betting on this $3 billion, well, it's now a $6 billion company in Open to be the CEO, because he thinks this could be, you know, if he could make something like $40 billion if his Elon Musk type pay package plays out over the next few years. So we're just getting started here with Open, the Amazon of real estate.
Yeah, you know what I love too is you ultimately, with these kind of investments, you're betting on people. In this case, you got someone who really has a great track record. I saw your tweet, you're buying more of these stocks. HUD is the name. I hadn't seen you talking about HUT. Run out of time. Next time you come back, tell us a little bit more about that, Eric. Congratulations, my man.
Thanks, Charles.
Great to be with you. See you soon.